Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming you have administrator rights and a working user account because many app failures stem from permissions. Once done, make sure Windows Update is current and you have enough disk space. Low space blocks launches. Next, open Task Manager and end any hung processes tied to the program so you start clean. Doing these steps clears common blockers and prepares the system for the deeper fixes that follow, so don't skip them. Now repair the application from Settings, Apps, and Features. Choose Repair first because it preserves settings. If repair fails, uninstall then reinstall the latest version and match 32-bit or 64-bit installers to your system. Mismatches block execution. Also verify dependencies. Install or repair. NET framework, Visual C++ redistributables, and DirectX as needed because missing libraries. Finish with system-level repairs. Run sfc/scano and dism commands to fix corrupted files that block programs. If problems persist, create a new Windows user profile to exclude profile corruption, then test the app there. Check Event Viewer for specific error codes and timestamps to guide targeted fixes. If you still can't open the app, boot into safe mode to see if third-party software interferes. Use that information to roll back recent updates or uninstall conflicting software as the final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.